What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're reinstalling the engine, the exhaust. We're gonna make the Ciao run again. Hopefully we can make it run today. I gathered most of the stuff that I'm gonna need to install this engine. It should be pretty straightforward, but there's always the possibility that something will go wrong. But I'm gonna try to install everything I can from the engine, the exhaust, the carburetor, air filter, fuel system, get everything hooked up, and maybe tonight we can get a startup. So this is the engine as you all know it. I had a lot of problems with it, mainly with the decompression valve. I'm just gonna leave it like this, see if it gets better or not, but we will see. The exhaust that I got from jmpbparts.com, that's why there is a sticker right here. Mainly every part comes from JMPB. It's a good website. You can get a lot of parts for your Ciao, bigger cylinders, bigger everything. Get your Ciao running great. I think the only thing that isn't from JMPB parts is this fuel filter, but for the rest, everything JMPB. I'm gonna take this off to get a better access because sliding in the engine is pretty tricky. But first we're gonna need to remove the clutch, get everything in there, and yeah. I'm not gonna explain everything I do. It should be straightforward. If you can get an engine out of there, you can get it back in there. So yeah, let's just get started. Hopefully this is a lot of fun and we have a running bike at the end of this video.
Perfect.
So finally, after a very long time, the Ciao is running again. The engine is in there. From what I can see, there is no really big leaks, no fuel leaks and no exhaust leaks. I'm pretty happy about that because that was something I was really concerned about. I put some exhaust sealant on the exhaust to make it not leak, because before I had a major leak on my exhaust system. Oil was dripping out of there and it wasn't that clean. But someone in the comment section said, use some exhaust paste and you will never have that problem again. I saw from the instructions that you have to wait overnight to let it cure completely. I made the bike run because on the tube it says you can speed up the process by making the engine run. And the bike looks absolutely amazing. It looks like a real beast with the exhaust, with the red spark plug cap, and with our new fuel system. So now that the bike is running, that doesn't necessarily mean that the project is over. There's still a lot of stuff I need to do and what I can do with this bike. I need to tune it, I need to make sure it runs good. I still have to do a speed test. I still have to tinker with the transmission, the belt, the size of the pulley and whatever. Do some upgrades to it, ride it, make some videos of me riding, get it street legal, because for now this bike isn't street legal, it's not registered, I have no license plate, I have nothing. This bike cannot go on the road. So that's gonna make breaking in the engine a little bit harder, but I guess I'm gonna make sure that the bike runs and functions perfectly before I get a license plate or whatever, so I can ride it around. So still a lot of stuff to do, still a lot of videos, and I hope you enjoy the Ciao videos that I already made and learned something about it, how to maintain and change parts on it. But yeah, I'm pretty happy that the engine is in there and that it runs. We still need to keep an eye on the decompression valve, if that is leaking or not. We will see. We can't know for sure until we ride the bike, but for now it looks pretty good. So the plans are do some upgrade stuff, improve some stuff and fix some stuff. So we're just gonna make it ready until we cannot do anything else anymore, and then we can step over to a next project. So that is gonna be it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to leave a like and a comment down below. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter and on Instagram, and if you're not already subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one.